Hi everyone, this is The Unspeakable at Interscapes Art Studios. Today I'm going to pour from a cup, and I'm going to use, I'll put this here, tea tree oil instead of silicone. I'm very chemically sensitive. I'm going to put a few drops on my fingers, just that much, and rub it into the cup. These are my golden heavy body acrylics, and just the back row are the ones that had the Vallejo pouring medium mixed in. So I've kind of used those up for the most part. The rest just have Floetrol and gloss medium. I'm going to layer these paints into the cup. I've layered the cup twice, and I realized that I forgot to put in the orange, the magenta, and the turquoise. Oh well. I also have primed this canvas with the matte super heavy medium. I had very high hopes for this painting. I was really enjoying doing the spirals. I thought I was getting it down. But something about the Vallejo pouring medium did not work out so well for me. There was one yellow triangle spiral painting that I really loved, and I was trying to actually recreate that here. And maybe it's that the paints were sitting for a couple of weeks, I don't know. Some days the paint just does not do what I am hoping that it will do. However, there are aspects of this that I really like, and there's much more to follow, as here I've sped it up so that you can see the paint really bloomed and blossomed. So here we are. This is it, and this is it dry. In this Happy New Year, I am going to be adding or continuing my poured work with more digital work. A few years ago when I began this, I really wanted to have my whole art studio in my backpack and just do art digitally. And then I saw all of the pouring people on YouTube, and I thought, oh, I really want to do that. And I did for 2 years, 2.5 years. And now it's not enough. Just, more cells, more techniques is not satisfying what needs to be expressed inside of me. And I'm not sure what that is. I don't really like painting objects, but something about my neighbor's cat and this painting seemed to go together. And yes, this painting is not complete. It's a beginning. So Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Please subscribe, please hit the like button, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, how you feel, and I will respond.